Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute little card using the Country Woods Designer Series paper. And we're also going to be using the Choose Happy stamp set, along with a few other things I'll show you along the way. Before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We're going to start with the Autumn Abundance September Paper Pumpkin Kit that's going to make 9 cards and has a Cajun Craze stamping spot. And we have the Every Celebration Dies add-on available. These dies do coordinate with July, August, and September Paper Pumpkin Kits. They're available while supplies last for $12. There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin Kit if you haven't already done so. During the month of August, we do have our Designer Series paper sale going on. We have 14 different Designer Series papers on sale from the annual catalog. They are on sale for 15% off. And during the month of August, we also have our bonus days redemption period. So if you earned any bonus days coupons last month in July, now's the time to redeem those coupons, okay? Don't forget, go on your emails and get those coupons and redeem them before the month is over. Lastly, we have our August host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up!, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to start by doing a little bit of stamping and gluing. This is a piece of basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and this is for our inside. We're going to glue this piece of Designer Series paper that is 3/4 of an inch, and we're going to cut it down to 3.5. So let me get some Memento Tuxedo black ink here. I put it in one of our stamping spots. I just like using the smaller ink pad for the black sometimes because I'm using small little images. So we're going to ink up our little image here. And I think I'm just going to pop it down in this corner right there like that. Super cute. And I'm going to go ahead and put some glue right here to adhere our Designer Series paper. Just like this. I know I haven't been posting lately. I've been very busy with life. So we're just going to trim this off. Okay. And then we're going to pull in a piece of ephemera. This ephemera piece right here, it comes from the not fully flowering. This is from the Labels and Layers. It's an ephemera pack. And I got this from this pack. It's just a bunch of frames, labels, and layers. So we're going to stamp on this happy birthday. So I have the 2 words here. So let me see. Get our ink out. And I'm going to stamp birthday about, let me see, about right here, like that. Then we'll take our happy and ink this up. Now the happy is in cursive, so I have to make sure I have it going the right way. And we're going to just put that one right there. Like that. So that is all of our stamping done. So now we can get to the rest of the card. So I have a piece of garden green here. This is about 1/8 of an inch by probably 1 7/8. However tall this little piece is, it might not even be the right size. It might be a little longer because I just wanted a little strip of it to go right there, just to decorate it a little more, to bring in some of the green from the flowers over to here. Yeah, just have a tiniest bit of overhang. And it's overhanging at the top, and I did that on purpose. Oh, I didn't notice my happy didn't stamp too well, but we're gonna have to make it work because I'm gonna be placing something over that part, so it's gonna be okay. So now let me tell you about our other pieces we have here. So I have a garden green card base that is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then we have some basic black. This is 3 3/4 by 5. We have some Fleur de Flamingo that is 2 7/8 by 4 1/8. And then we have a piece of the designer series paper from the Country Woods that is 2 3/4 by 4. Okay, and we're going to layer all of these up together. So let's just go ahead and get everything layered up. I love this side of the paper as well. I love that Stampin' Up! Paper is double-sided, but sometimes it makes it hard choosing which side to use. But they give you plenty, so you can always, you know, make more than one card so you can have both options. Both sides as an option. Let's see which side of our card looks the best. I think this will be my front. So let's go ahead and glue this on to the front of the card. Just like this. Just center that in there. Then we're going to take our inside, go ahead and put that on. You don't want to forget that. And I might as well, I wasn't going to do this, but I think I'm going to go ahead and color in this flower. I'm going to get some light Fleur de Flamingo and just do it like that. Then I'm going to get some light soft sea foam, because I think that's one of the colors that garden green, it might be garden green stamped off, but I'm going to do soft sea foam. Light, just like that, just a little bit of coloring. Okay, and then we're going to glue this down. I'm going to put that right here, try to get it centered. And then I have another piece from the ephemera pack, the fully flowering ephemera, and that's this one. It has a bunch of flowers. You get 2 sheets of about 4 different designs. Okay, and I'm going to put this on here with some Stampin' Dimensionals. So let me close up my glue. Get my dimensionals here. I'm going to add some dimensionals to our little die cut piece here from the ephemera pack. Remove the backing. And we're going to place this right here in the corner like that. Okay, and now we're going to add some bling to finish this card up. I have the Adhesive-Backed Sparkle Gems, and we're going to add, I think I want the golds, because there's, well, it's champagne, black and clear. It calls it white, but it's just clear. I think I want to use the champagne. Ooh, that is pretty. That is a pretty gem. And just like that, we're done. Isn't that cute? Don't you like it? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.